Alright folks, we've hiked 12 miles uphill in inclement weather just to show you guys this. Like and subscribe for more balls on your chin. Alright, we're at this iron furnace. There's only one like this in the world and it's here. I'm just fucking with you, they're everywhere. There's one in Ohio. I don't know if I did a video. 16 cords of wood. God dang. Imagine being that motherfucker that had to... Alright son, need you to get up, start cutting wood. Yeah. It's hot, your balls are gonna sweat. Oh, by the way, wear that three-piece suit that I got you. You'll be fine. Alright, here it is. Yeah, sorry for the shaking. I smoke a lot of dope, and the only thing I'm steady at is playing Xbox, baby. Man, this is cool. Alright folks, let's step into the Temple of Doom here. Of course, you see how fucked society is? People are so fucking stupid. They gotta put a lock on here, man. Well, we don't want you going in there. A rock might fall, and then you'll sue the shit out of us. We don't give a fuck about your safety. Just not losing money. We're the great state of Tennessee and Virginia. Anyway, sorry guys. Alright. Now there's like a little creek around here. I'm gonna try to go down there. Watch out, hold on, honey. Hold on. You can go around here, come here. Alright, folks. If I fall, I'm blaming you. Oh, cool. Sweet Mary, mother of Joseph. It's the kind of place you want to smoke a doobie at, you know? And I just might. Alright, let's get up here a little more. Oh, yeah. Huh, I guess that's for the side of the furnace where they put the fire in. Cool story, bro, the bellows. Oh, man, guys, it's muggy out here, but it feels so good right here. Woo! Yeah, man, this is beautiful. This is like a sight from Missing 411, y'all. Jim and his female partner were out hiking at around 2 p.m. Trackers say they lost them. Alright, guys. I'm gonna get the fuck out of here. I don't want to get taken. Bye-bye.